Guys, so today I want to throw a little light upon what makes IFML, our program, intermittent fasting, mindful living, fairly different from all the other programs that you see around you. So, as you know, this program is run by me as the fitness coach on it, and my co-founder and partner Kamna Bhandari, who is the nutrition coach on the program.
If you ask me what goes on during the 6 weeks of the IFML plan, here is how it flows. So week 1, we help you to adapt the intermittent fasting hours which are more suitable for your lifestyle. We help you settle in and we educate you more about what intermittent fasting is all about, and we bust quite a few myths around it. We educate you on overall health and how it's going to build up over the weeks.
What truly sets us apart, firstly, is the fact that as coaches, we are always available to the clients who sign up for the program. So for all of the 45 days that you are with us, you're guided by us every single day, with all your questions being answered as soon as you've asked them. As you know, we work with a WhatsApp support group, so that really helps us be present to you all the time, because it's accessible, you're on it. Let's say we give out a challenge, or we've given you a workout or some dietary changes, and let's say you have a question about it, you are immediately addressed with the question. So it's very different from handing you a nutrition book and saying, now this is yours to follow and do what you can with it, right? Because every body is different. Every structure is different from everyone else's, and somebody may have a migraine, or someone may have an acidity, somebody may have some other problem. These are all addressed personally by us day to day on a daily basis, and I think just being available, present, being there to encourage all you guys and all our clients and motivate you on a daily basis. One of the first things is the personal touch as coaches that we ensure we maintain throughout our 45-day program.
Week 2 is more about getting into a fitness routine, wherein we also help you to answer questions of week 1, and we introduce nutrition challenges and fitness challenges and some more tricks and tips pertaining to your health. Week 3, now that you've settled in with your fitness routine and your intermittent fasting hours, we push you a little more, and this is all about gut health, wherein we educate you on how you understand your gut better and how do you make it better, because it's deeply related to your immunity. So it's also about building your immunity. And in this week we also introduce you to meditation, which is very, very simple, and as the weeks go by you build on that.
The other thing that really sets us apart is I find that a lot of times people are skeptical to enroll for online programs because they feel they have special issues that will not get addressed through something like this. For example, let's say I have a set of workouts to give somebody, and they may have a knee issue, or they may have a lumbar spine, cervical spine, wrist problem, or any of those. They feel that they will not be addressed, but that's truly what IFML is known for. We've had a lot of people in the past come by who need special attention with special needs and requirements where workouts and dietary changes are concerned, and that's one of the things we definitely look into. So in fact, for the program I've designed a specific set of workouts that incorporate injury prevention and injury modification as well. Thirdly, but not lastly, because there's so much more that goes on, but I find that a lot of programs look into your nutrition. Yes, they look into your fitness, but mental health is a huge component of your physical health and fitness. And one of the things I find is not often addressed is one's mental health, because so much of what you reach out for in terms of food or the motivation you may lack to bring in movement into your daily day may come off the fact that you're not mentally, something's not going right for you. And this is where I find meditation is a very, very important component of your overall health and fitness. So for the same reason, we have a tie-up with a meditation center and an expert, Sadia Saeed, who comes on live with us during the program as well, addressing all the issues that people might be facing as they begin, their meditations. And she also sends in meditations weekly for our clients to do and explore and delve into that field if they've always wanted to and they haven't. So that really takes care of the awareness and the mindfulness bit that our program really works on.
Week 4, we push you a little more, and here the challenges get a little more harder, and so does your fitness program. Here we also introduce to you to the next level of meditation, and we talk more about some health related topics. By week 5, you are very well settled and have adapted the pattern, which is almost like a lifestyle and a habit now. And we talk more about health related and trending topics, and we help you to answer some other queries that you may have, which you may face while the program is done, as we aim to make this more of a lifestyle for you. By week 6, you are now a new person. You have come a long way. You actually experience and see and feel the difference from what you were in week 1 to now. And by now you are a lot more mindful, you're a lot more fitter, you're a lot better, and we just help you to adapt it like a lifestyle and feel the goodness of the program.
But there's really, really so much more that brings into that throws light, the program throws light upon for bringing your small daily consciousness and awareness and your overall health and fitness into consideration. So I hope you will consider your IFML program and start your journey to fitness.